PremierLaceWigs sent me the 360 Indian Remy wig, and it came with an elastic band, a pamphlet, and a wig cap. So in these few clips, I'm going to be styling the hair and getting it ready for me to put on my head. And doing that, I'm just going to spray it with some water and then later on put some mousse in it. So now I'm going to be taking my Got To Be Glue gel and applying it on the perimeter of my hairline. And I'm just going to be taking my blow dryer and blow drying it obviously with the blow dryer. And I'm just going to wait till it's dry so I can stick the lace on my forehead. Well, not my forehead, like my hairline, but not really my hairline because the glue isn't really touching my edges. But okay, so now as you can see, I am sticking the wig onto my hairline, aka forehead, aka not my edges. And then I'm just going to be placing it down, and then later on in this clip I'm going to be doing baby hairs. As you can see, I am done styling the hair. I'm just going to take down these clips and slay. Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am doing another wig review today. I mean, what do you expect? This wig I am wearing today is from PremierLaceWigs. I think that's how you pronounce it. They sent me their, got the paper right here with all the information. They sent me their Teaira style gorgeous long wavy 360 wig. And the hair type is not Brazilian like all the other hair I've been reviewing. This hair is actually Indian Remy hair, and it is in 22 inches. Let's stand up for y'all to show y'all how long this hair is on me. It is like right here, almost down to my hips, and I am loving this long hair. Y'all know I live for long hair, but this wig is 180 density, meaning this hair is very thick, and it is very thick. It's a little bit heavy when it's wet, but this hair does dry pretty fast. As you can see, it's starting to dry. It's not like soaked or anything. And I put mousse in this hair because I do not like when this hair is fully dry. It's very, as long as you spray it with some water and put some mousse or something to keep it laid down, it should be fine, but I like it in this state. But as you can see, these aren't necessarily curls, these are like water waves, and I like water waves. This hairline is pre-plucked, they said, but I did do some of my own plucking in the middle part because it was still dense in the middle. You couldn't really see the part, so I did pluck it. And I plucked it a little bit around the hairline. I don't know if it looks natural or not. Y'all know I'm still new to this, but... And I did do a little bit of baby hairs. My lash is messing up, sorry. I'm going to go into detail about the construction of this wig because they did provide some information on that, and I want to make sure you guys really know what you're getting into, especially if you're new to wigs like how I am. I'm still new. So a lot of people want to know what a 360 wig is, and a 360 wig is not a full lace wig. Wait, what? Oh wow. Okay, so let me read this, y'all. I know it seems like this is script, but I wasn't going to be able to memorize this anyway, so I'm just going to read it to y'all. And this is good information, so you might want to listen up. 360 lace wig is not a full lace wig and not a lace front wig. Actually, it is between of them. There is a 360-degree circular lace at the perimeter, so you can part the hair freely in the front, sides, and back. But it is hair weave at the top of the head, which can make the wig look fuller. So I really didn't pay attention to the construction of the wig. I just kind of hurry up and put it on. But there is lace all right here. So all right here, and there are tracks in the middle, like right here. Okay, so when I got this wig, there was lace all around it, like 360. But I usually just keep a little bit of lace right here and then cut all the back lace off because I usually don't wear my wigs in ponytails and stuff because I just don't. 360 wig means you can put it up in a high ponytail and you won't see like your kitchen. But yeah, I just felt like I need to tell y'all that because I actually did not know that. Do y'all love my lashes? Let me tell y'all the tea about my lashes real quick. So I did launch my lash line August 1st. The sales were very incredible the first day. I sold out in Tink lashes, but I still have Pretty Rain and Amore available. I don't know when you're watching this, so they might be sold out or there might still be some in stock, but I am going to put the link to my website in the description so you guys can order my lashes if you would like. You don't have to, girl. You don't have to, but these lashes are Pretty Rain. I would definitely say this wig is cute for summertime and it just gives me like beach vibes, you know. So of course I have a discount code for y'all. If you use my code Leah, L-E-A-H, you can get $10 off your purchase. And girl, I know you want $10 off your purchase. I'll put it right here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review / tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hate sticky lip gloss.